Welcome to ColdBrew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Friday, October 17th, 2025. We'll be covering market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes finished mostly higher today. The Nasdaq Composite Index showed particular strength with a very strong upward trend, breaking out after 3 days of sideways movement. The Russell 2000 Index was the outlier, dropping 0.6% for its second consecutive down day. Market breadth was mixed across the major indexes. The S&P 500 showed strong participation with 356 advances versus 139 declines. However, the Nasdaq Composite saw more selling pressure with 1,907 declining issues compared to 1,189 advances. Looking at weekly returns, the Nasdaq Composite and Russell 2000 led with gains over 2%. Year-to-date, the Nasdaq remains the strongest performer, up 17.4%, while the S&P 400 midcap has lagged with just a 3.3% return. Consumer defensive led sector gains today, rising 1.2% with notable upward volatility. Financial services followed with a 0.84% increase, though showing strong downward volatility. Communication services and real estate both demonstrated very strong, positive trends despite more modest daily gains. Basic materials showed the most weakness, falling 0.35% for its third straight declining session, with a strong negative trend emerging. Utilities also declined, down 0.38%, though maintaining a very strong positive trend overall. Technology continued its upward momentum, rising for a third consecutive day. Brazil led global markets, gaining 1.6%. South Korea reached new all-time highs for the third straight session amid strong upward momentum. India showed notable strength with significant upward volatility, rising for its third consecutive day. On a weekly basis, South Korea outperformed with a 9.7% gain. Year-to-date, South Korea leads with an impressive 73.9% return, while Brazil follows with a 32% gain. Major tech stocks showed mixed performance today. Apple led gains, rising nearly 2% with an upward breakout after days of consolidation. Alphabet continued its impressive run, marking its fifth consecutive positive close with a very strong upward trend. Amazon showed weakness, declining for the fourth straight session amid downward volatility. Meta Platforms broke higher from recent sideways trading, while Nvidia drifted in a tight range.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Major cryptocurrencies are showing broad weakness today. Bitcoin is currently at 107,048.94, down 1,149.6, showing a strong negative trend with 4 consecutive down days. BNB is experiencing the sharpest decline, down 6% at 1,076.99, marking its 5th straight day of losses. Looking at broader returns, BNB shows the most dramatic weekly decline at -17.4%, despite maintaining a strong year-to-date gain of 53.6%. Solana and Dogecoin are both struggling, with Dogecoin posting a -41% return year-to-date.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The greenback is showing mixed strength across major currencies. Against the euro and sterling, it's marginally higher. The dollar has maintained a particularly strong trend against the yen, currently at 150.59. Notable volatility is seen against the Swiss franc, where despite today's slight gain, there's significant downward pressure.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi, Victoria Cashmore, and Liquidity. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, ColdBrew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 9:45 a.m., 12:30 p.m., and 4 p.m. New York time for more market reports, and check in daily for in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.